used to on here. So you're recording this message. Be sure. Okay. So guys, I'm recording it. Tell me to let you know. Okay. So yes, it's going to be hard because I got to use my mouse to do this, but we'll get through it. All right. So both prisms. So look at the triangular. There's a rectangular and a triangle, right? So rectangles on the bottom, triangle on the top. So if you notice, they both have the same what?
Base.
Base.
Yep. They both have the same height.
Oh.
Okay. So all right.
Wait, how do they have the same height if the triangle top thing has a 3 1/2 height?
No. That's not the height. That's the
The
length of the
base.
side.
Oh.
So look at
It's hard to
what
tell.
is here, right? So this is the height and this is the height.
That makes no sense.
What do
I
you
don't
mean it
get,
makes no
I,
sense?
yeah, I'm having problems
like,
deciphering. Like, I don't know.
I don't get why they do that. Why can't they just leave height as vertical? Why do they gotta do it
Right.
horizontally?
So what you have to do is you have to think about it is if I take this figure and tip it upside down, then my face is a rectangle and this face is a triangle. And then my height would be this way. It would be upside down that way. So we don't have the length or the height here, and we don't have the height here, which is the bottom of that basically teepee, right? It kind of looks like a teepee to me. So that would be that my height, if I can figure this out. Of course not. My God, it's been forever since I've done this. So all right, so there you go, the height.
Microsoft makes things complicated for some reason.
I know. All right, so it says volume of the rectangular prism. So what is the volume of the rectangular prism?
24.
And 3/8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 24 and 3. Guys, y'all gonna have to bear with me, okay? I know. This is not what we should have, but
I swear,
all right.
didn't you have like a little pad with a pen?
Oh, you're right, I do. That would probably be a little bit easier, wouldn't it? You're so smart, Xander.
I just remember from last year. I remember you doing that.
I knew we'd keep you around for something. All right, let's see if I can delete
Wait.
that.
What are you saying? Are you saying you get rid of students?
You just boot them and say, you're not smart enough for this class.
I would never get rid of students. Okay, so now I can put the pen on you guys, but it won't let me. This is stupid. This is just stupid. All right, let me see. Stupid.
The system
Okay.
is not on your side today.
No, it is not. All right, so let me see if I can move you guys here. Okay, can y'all still see the document or no?
We can.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So here we go. Ooh, that was not supposed to happen. Undo. Yeah. All right, now we're rocking and rolling. You're right. 24 and 3/8. Woohoo! Xander, you're so smart. All right, so we're going to convert that to a decimal, right? Which is 24.375. So that was the volume. And then what is the base? 7.5, right?
Yeah, 7.5.
Oh.
Okay. So 7.5. All right. So multiply that out. So we need to divide. So divide both sides by 7.5. So 24.375 divided by 7.5 is 3.25. So the height of both prisms are 3.25. So where H is, we're going to put 3.25. All right, so now we're going to use the height to find the combined surface area of the triangular prism and the rectangle prism. So that means we're going to have two base areas and we'll have the perimeter of the whole faces. Okay, so the base area is 7.5 and 3.75. So 7.5, 3.75. Okay, so 7.5 and 3.75 is what? 11.25, and then times 2. So this together would give me 22.5. All right, so now we're going to find the perimeter. So we're going to talk about this side, which is 3.25, this side, which is 3.25. So 3.25 plus 3.25 plus, if this is 3, this is 3, right? So we're going to just go ahead and make that 6 plus the bottom, which was 2.5. All right, so this would give me 6.5, right? Plus 6, so we're at 12.5. Plus 2.5, so we're at 15.
Yeah.
All right, so the perimeter is 15, and the height was what again? 3.25. And this up here, guys, is a pentagonal prism. All right, so 22.5 plus 15 times 3.25 is 48.75. And if we add those together, we get 71.25. So Reggie will need 71.25 square feet of weatherproof paper to cover the doghouse. All right, so what if we didn't want to do the bottom? Because that included the bottom, right? So if I don't want to weatherproof the bottom, I need to take the 71.25 and I'm going to subtract it from that base area, right? I don't know why they didn't just put 7.5, but they want you to actually subtract it from 2.5 times 3.25, which should give me 7.5, I think. No. Ooh. Oh, I know why. Because they're considering this face to be the base and not this. All right, so 2.5 times 3.25 is 8.125. So if we subtract 71.25 minus 8.125, we should get 63.125. So that one was a lot. Just for the doghouse. All right. So we are at the check understanding. So I'm going to move this up just a tad. So those of you that have it can look at it, and those of you that don't can look at it. All right. So we are quickly running out of time. So the first check for understanding is just like the first example that we used. Okay. Oh, I was like, huh? I will say that I think the test is easier than this last lesson. Okay. I have already gone through it all and I think it's easier, but you know, y'all always think they're hard. So, all right. So remember, what is the cube? What is the formula for the surface area of a cube? What did I tell you it was on the front page? I can't show it to you because
6s2.
yep, cis x squared. Yep. All right, so use that information, right? We know the surface area is 24. So 24 equals 6s squared. So what do we need to do?
Divide.
Yep. Divide by 6. So 24 divided by 6 is
4.
4. Yep. So what times what gives me 4? Or I could say, what is the square root of 4?
2.
Yep. So if the side is 2, what is the formula for volume? S to the what power?
Third.
Yep. So that would be 2 to the third, which is what?
8.
Yep. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. So it would be 8 inches cubed.
I have a feeling there's gonna be like a question like this on our test, except they don't give us the boxes. They just leave us. They just
What do you
ask
mean
the
they don't give
problem.
you the boxes?
Like,
I guarantee you there is going to be one like this on the test. But what do you mean they don't give you the boxes? They have to give you something.
oh, okay.
They have to give you the surface area, or they have to give you the side. They have to give you something.
Miss Lavelle.
Uh-huh.
So there's only one thing that I'm a little confused on. So what does 2b plus pH equal? Because I think I got one of them mixed up. One of my formulas mixed
What
up.
is that? That's the surface area formula.
Okay, I was just making sure.
That's surface area. All right, we have 5 minutes left. So a triangular prism with an equilateral triangle. So that means that if I have this, all of my sides are the same. So 5, 5, and 5. Right? That's what that means. So it has a volume of 64.94 cubic centimeters and a base area of 10.83 square centimeters and a triangle edge of 5. We already know that. What is the surface area of the prism? All right, so remember, volume equals BH. We do not know H. That's what we are trying to find. So volume 64.98 equals 10.83 times H. So what do we do?
64.98 divided by 10.83.
Yeah. So 10.83. So H is what? Someone got a calculator quickly. All right, well, I'll do it for you. H is 6. Okay, so surface area, remember, 2B plus pH. So we know B, 10.83. We know the perimeter. So if this is the face, 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 15. And we know the height, which is 6.
I got this. Just
So multiply 10.83 times 2.
$21.66.
Yep. Plus 15 times 6.
111.66.
Okay, that is the answer. But 15 times 6 is what?
Oh, 90.
90. And that equals 111.66 centimeters squared. Because it's surface. Huh?
How do those lines straighten up? I tried doing that, but it didn't work. I just got messed up triangles.
Oh, you mean it does it on whiteboard? It automatically like fixes it. I don't know. It sees a figure and it goes, oh, that should look like a triangle. Oh, that should look like an oval, and it fixes it. All right. So we may end up having to do it this way until I can figure out what's wrong with the camera. I don't know. So, all right. So that means the on your own will be tomorrow. No, we're not going to do all 3 pages. Okay. We're probably only going to get to the first 2 pages tomorrow. Okay. Which is 3 through 11. All right. All right, so we only got about 30 seconds. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and I hopefully will figure out what's wrong with this stupid camera so that we can use that. But it wasn't bad using the other thing once I figured that out, right? All right, guys, you have a great night, okay? I'll see
Bye,
you
Miss Lavelle.
tomorrow. Bye, guys.